In this video, let me show you how to add Firebase settings. Go to console.firebase.google.com. Select your project. Go to your app settings. Copy Web API key. Go to Design My App. Go to Settings. Select Settings. Select Firebase. Paste it in the Web API key field. Go to Cloud Messaging. Copy server key. Paste in the server key field. Copy sender ID. Paste it in the sender ID field. Go to the dynamic link. Note dynamic link URL prefix. Add it in the dynamic link URL prefix field. Click on Save. Thank you for watching.